Hello everyone, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and to the second video of the 3-day bedroom transformation. So today, not a massive day. We're going to be sanding all the walls and undercoating the walls and getting the floor ready to be sanded for tomorrow.
Whatever, yeah. At first I thought I'd work around it. I'd work around it, but you turned out to be so different. Yeah, you turned out to be nothing like them. I changed my mind and got behind it. I got behind it.
Just before I get into it, guys, I know that we've been in this room for a long time. There's been a hell of a lot of work to do in here, and you know, it's near the end now, so in the next week or so we'll see a new project start. But anyway, for now I'll get in and get this one finished.
To break, rules to break. Keep cruising till we hit the morning, and then we'll do it all over again. We pass the reds, ignore the warnings. Ignore the warnings. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know we'll never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. You got what I need effortlessly. Let me know you want it.
A little bit of dust, but that works pretty good. It's coming out nice and flat, and there's not too much dust, so win-win.
Let me know, 'cause I can't lie. Let me know, 'cause I need you. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know we'll never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know we'll never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break.
Okay, here we go. Time to put some undercoat on. So I'm using the 4-in-1 water-based white undercoat. This one's a British Paints one, but that doesn't really matter too much on the brand. I like a 75 or 100mm brush for getting things done quickly, and it's good for cutting in. So got a brand new brush and mixing stick. So I've got my little pot, so I can carry that around with me. So we'll mix it up and fill up the pot. Let's go.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got, and when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Okay guys, that's it for the second video. So I've sanded down the flushing that I did yesterday and I've undercoated. There are a few spots that were still wet. Tomorrow morning, first thing, I'll come in, sand them and undercoat those bits. But apart from that, we're all undercoated and we're good to do the floor tomorrow. So that'll be an exciting video. I hope you join me. See ya.